Welcome everyone. Hit like and subscribe to never miss a game. This is a book move. The opening is called King's Pawn Game.
Pawn to c5 is the best move.
Knight to f3.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Knight Opening, normal variation.
Bishop to b5.
This is a book move. The opening is called Ruy Lopez Berlin defense.
Pawn to d3 is excellent. This defends a pawn on f4. This is a book move. The opening is called Ruy Lopez Berlin defense.
Bishop to c5.
Pawn to c3 is the best move.
Pawn to a6 is excellent. Kingside castle is best.
Pawn to c3.
Pawn to b5 is excellent. This attacks the bishop. Kingside castle is best.
Bishop to b3 is excellent. Bishop to c2 is best.
Pawn to d6 is the best move.
Pawn to a4 is the best move.
Kingside castle is the best move.
Pawn to a4 is best. This offers a trade.
Rook to ba.
Pawn to d4 is the best move.
Bishop to b6.
Knight to a3 is excellent. This develops a knight. Pawn to h3 is best.
Pawn captures on d4 is the best move.
Pawn catches on b5 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the knight.
Pawn captures on b5 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on b5 is best.
Bishop to g4 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Pawn captures on d4 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop to c2.
Bishop captures on f3 is the best move.
Pawn to h3 is the best move.
Bishop captures on f3 is best. This is a trade.
Queen captures on f3 is best.
Pawn captures on d4 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the knight.
Queen captures on d5 is best. This defends a knight on c6. This attacks the knight. This move gains a tempo.
Queen captures on d5 is the best move.
Knight captures on d5.
Bishop to e4.
Knight from file d to e7 is excellent. This defends a knight on c6. Rook from file f to d8 is best. This defends a knight on d5. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Rook to d1 is excellent. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Bishop to f4 is best. This develops a bishop.
Pawn captures on c3 is excellent. This is a trade. Rook from file f to d8 is best. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Knight captures on c3 is excellent. This defends a rook and bishop on down and f4. Pawn captures on c3 is best.
Rook from file f to d8 is best. This offers a trade. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
King to f1 is excellent. Rook captures on d8 check is best. This is a trade.
Rook captures on d1 check is the best move.
Knight captures on d1 is best.
Pawn to f5 is excellent. This attacks the bishop. Knight to d4 is best.
Bishop to c2 is excellent. This defends a knight on down. Bishop to b1 is best.
Knight to d4 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to d3 is the best move.
King to f8 is best. This defends a knight on s7. The game is over. It ended in a draw.